and fly with us to greater heights.
Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Please, pwede patayin na lang yung flat rights, no? Kasi medyo masakit sa mata. Okay with the management.
To the club presidents of several clubs, good evening. To all the Ate and Kuya, also, friends of Eagles, good evening. We are here today to celebrate the event for the chartering installation in, and this event is nothing of not gonna happen without the help of our people of Aquila. 5 years and 8 months ago, a set of gentlemen who called themselves Kuya chartered the MAKATI Eagles Club. Year in, year out, what they did as farmers themselves, they breed a group of eagles in the objective of quality expansion and to believe that each of the eagles that they are breeding will be a good lead of the Kuya and Ate. Here and after the celebration, we can now spread your wings, soar high, and fly with us to greater heights. Thank you to the National Assembly for giving us the approval of the region. Thank you, officers of the region who stood up to the challenge. Thank you all to all of the members who took the opportunity and challenge to perform on a greater scale. And of course, we would like to thank the organizers of this event for all the unsung heroes who made this event very, very together again. Let's let the world hear our one united voice. From the walls of this room, extending the boundaries of our country to Asia and to the world. Mga kuya natin, join you. Mabuhay ang Aquila!
Thank you very much, dear Vice Governor, for that this special event. May we call the club president of Raja Lee, Eagles Club, Eagle Ferdinand Popo. Big hand, please.
Mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat, mga kuya, ate, puso, at friends of Jesus. Indeed, this is a momentous event, a wonderful time to celebrate a new chapter of the MAKATI People's Group. From its humble beginning in 2017 up to the present, the reality of having a new beginning, a new chapter, is that it is a chance to correct the mistake of the past and make the present and the future better. This is embodied in the vision of MAKATI Eagles Club. And now, moving forward, it is also embodied in the vision of the MAKATI Business Region, Central Business Region. And the MAKATI Business Region would like to acknowledge our National President, the Fraternal Order of Eagle, Philippine Eagle, Inc., the very energetic Arnold Scotto Landayan, sir, kuya. Pwede tumalakpak. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our chairman, the Fraternal Order of Eagle, Philippine Eagle, Kuya Eagle Luis Senisa. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of our guest of honor and speaker to be properly introduced later from the Assistant Secretary, Department of Labor and Employment, Honorable Warren Miklat. We'd like to acknowledge Mr. Ferdinand Chiquitan, motivational speaker and financial advisor. Pwede rin pumalakpak. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of a very dynamic Governor, Makati Region, Kuya Erwin Torrefiel. Welcome. We also would like to acknowledge the Secretary General of the Fraternal Order Eagle, Philippine Eagle, Inc., Kuya Eagle Arnel Bautista. We also would like to acknowledge Kuya Romel Abital, Governor, Calabarzon, Laguna Init Region. We also would like to acknowledge the Senior File Director, Kuya Cesar Yamuta. Kuya. The Makati Business Region would like to acknowledge Kuya Eagle Jose Labian, National Committee on Extension, the Fraternal Order of Eagle. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the Regional Governor, Mabanasik Region, NCR 20, Kuya Eagle Dave Maceda. Kuya. We also would like to acknowledge Kuya Eagle Nilo de Maray Jr., Provincial Governor, Province Dinagat Island.